Hello, this is Sam with BlindShell. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you an easy way to check the current status of several important aspects of your phone. Now, if your phone is asleep like this one is, the easiest way to get the time and date is to just wake it up. One way to do that is to simply press the end call button. It's the second one down on the right, the red button.
Call 1 of 9, 2025, July 18th, 2019.
And it gives me the time and date. Now the time on this particular device is in 24-hour time. But a much easier way to do this from anywhere on the phone is to simply press up on the directional pad.
2027, Thursday, July 18th, 2019, 1 of 5.
So it tells me the time and date, and you hear that indicator of where I am in the menu. It says 1 of 5. So that means that I'm on the first item in a list of 5 different items. So there's more information here waiting for me. If I just scroll to the right by pressing the right side of the directional pad.
Wi-Fi state, connected to, we has Wi-Fi, signal strength, 99%, 2 of 5.
So there's my Wi-Fi information. I'm connected to this Wi-Fi in my location. Now I can continue through this menu.
Signal strength, network is not available, 3 of 5.
I don't have a SIM card in this particular device, so I'm not connected to the network. If I were, though, it would give me network information right there.
Battery state, 86%, 4 of 5.
Battery, that's a very important one. It's always a good idea to know how much battery you have, and it's very easy to get that information this way.
Bluetooth disabled, 5 of 5.
And finally, Bluetooth. I'm not connected to any Bluetooth devices. So now to go back, I just simply press the second button down on the right, the end call button.
Call 1 of 9.
And I'm right back in my main menu. So another quick trick, while you're in the status menu here, you can quickly press the OK button to jump into the settings for the item on the screen here. So right now we're on Wi-Fi. If I click OK,
Disable Wi-Fi.
it jumps me into the Wi-Fi settings.
Wi-Fi state.
If I'm on the Bluetooth here and I click OK,
Turn off Bluetooth. Scan for devices.
jumps me right into the Bluetooth settings.
Bluetooth enabled, no connected devices.
So that is a very easy and convenient way to check those important status informations. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments down below. And of course, be sure to stop by our YouTube channel to see more of our video tutorials.